Ready? Bryson is going to suck out of the straw for the first time. Here, try it again. Slow down. There you go. It's almost there. Yay. Did you get it? Okay, try it again. Mmm. Good boy. He's going to drink all my shake. Uh-oh. Whoops. Yep. Oops. Here. Try it again. Keep going. You almost got it. Try it again. There we go. Get all that spinach. Cool. That is so awesome, baby. Yeah, my straw doesn't come out. That's my power drink. Here. Wait, where's your face at? Here. Drink all that yummy spinach. Oops. Cool. My turn.